What's up, messy gang? It's your girl, Mziindependent, and thank you for coming back to my channel. And I have another video for you today. Today we will be working on the eyebrows. So right now this is my bare face, clean face, whichever one you want to call it. But I'm gonna teach you how to do your eyebrows, and this is the way that I do it. I pretty much self-taught myself. I mean, I'm still not an expert, like a makeup artist status, but this is for somebody that's on my level as well, on a beginner's level. So this is the easiest way that I taught myself, or how I learned how to do it. So I thought maybe I could teach somebody else and help somebody else out. So pretty much what I do is I grab my brush. This is a double-headed brush. I bought these brushes off of Amazon for like probably 10 bucks, 13. So you got the little spoolie in on one side. Then we had the little, what is called, the angle brush on the other side. There we go. So what I do is I usually comb my little eyebrows out, and then I brush it to my natural shape, as so. Then we're gonna do the other side. I brush up, then I go and I brush down, even though I really need to get my eyebrows done, like actually waxed or something. Then I take my angle brush like this, and I have some matte concealer that I've bought over some years ago when I originally thought I was gonna learn how to do eyebrows. It's the NW45 Studio Finish Concealer from MAC. So what I do is I take a little on my angle brush, as so, a little. Let me tilt this camera up so we can better see me doing it while I'm looking in the mirror in front of me. So what I do is I take it and I line with the natural shape of my eyebrow. As so. Then we go dab it a little bit more, and then we go over the top part. So sometimes I'll hold my eyebrow up so I can get that little arch. As so, like that. Okay. And sometimes I take my little spoolie to clear out the little hairs that caught the concealer. Then I usually have some eyebrow gel, but I can't seem to find my eyebrow gel. So the next best solution that you would use is just a regular eyeshadow palette, and you with black in it. Then you take your little other angle, the other side of the spoolie brush, which is the angle side. You dip it in the black, or you brush it in the black. And then what I do is go along the concealer. As so. Then you do the same, and then you just fill in the rest of the eyeshadow along your natural brow. So you try to blend that in. Like so. And I take this brush, don't know the name of it, but it looks like it. And I just go and I pull down my concealer. I feel like I could have did a little better with this arching under it. There we go. Clean that up a little bit better. Fix that up. Pull that down. Then you're gonna go on top. Pull it up. Pretty much what you're doing now is trying to blend. And then you have like your eyebrow shape. And if I don't really want my end that long, I'll just take the concealer and clean it up to make the tail shorter. And then you see how that's still a little bright. Cause I put on a little heavier. And then there you have it. And I take a little sponge. If I'm not, like if I don't want to feel like putting on foundation that day or something, I'll take a sponge and I hold across the sponge really tight. And I go like right above where I use the black eyeshadow. And I clean my eyebrows that way. Then I do the same for the bottom. And that's how I clean up my eyebrow. And that, ladies, is how you will do an eyebrow. So I'm gonna do my other one off camera and show you the finishing look, because I don't want to have a long video on how to do it. So I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. And there you go. You have it. Eyebrows, honey. Eyebrows. And always remember something I had to learn. Your eyebrows are not twins. They are sisters. It's okay if they don't look exactly alike. They're not identical twins. They're sisters. So it's okay, because as you can see, this one I kind of like better. But, you know, they both look good, but they're not the exact same. So that's how I do my eyebrows. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Also, feel free to comment for any more tips or ideas that you have about me doing my eyebrows, or if you want to learn anything else that I may be able to teach, let me know. Comment below. And again, do not forget to subscribe and share this video as well, so you can get your eyebrows on fleek too. And this is beginner's level. Again, I am not a makeup artist. I am a beginner. So have a good day. Bye, Messy Gang. I'll see y'all again real soon, like the next video though.